what time you are listening to this. Yeah, it is evening. Yeah, so tonight I'll be taking us on text to speech. That is how to convert text to speech using different AI tools. Are we together? So, as an animator or you are trying to create animation, the first thing you are going to know is how you can convert your text to speech. Yes, exactly, because that is the speech your character will be using. Okay, are we together? Yeah, so the first AI tools we'll be using is voice maker. That is text to speech voice maker. Are we together? So we have different AI tools which I'll be using. Okay, so the first one we are going to use now, it is what? Voice maker. Okay, so now you go to your browser. You can use Chrome, you can use any other browser. Okay, so I'll first go to my Chrome. This is my Chrome. So you have to make sure that you have a good network. All right, so that is my browser. You press text to speech. Sorry, yeah, you press text to speech voice maker. Remember, we are looking for voice maker, and this is it right here. This is it right here, as you can see. This is it, with this blue in a circle with whitish line inside of it. Yeah, that is it. Okay, so you click on it. You click on it. You click on it. Yeah, immediately you click on it, it will take you directly to this place. Or if you want to avoid those stress, just click on voicemaker.in. Directly it will take you to this face. As you can see, the voicemaker.in. This is the face you will see immediately you input your text to email. Your text to speech or voicemaker.in. Yeah, so this is the face you will see. So as we can see now, this is how it looks. Yeah, so your text is that that automatically should have prepared your text. Should have prepared that. So me, I've already prepared my text on my notepad. So as we can see now, this is the text I want to convert to speech, and I'll tell us why it is so small. So the text is: hello, my name is John. I'm into project writing, data analysis, video editing, and the likes. Okay, so I'll just copy. I'll just copy. Now go back to your voice maker. Go back to your voice maker, and then you paste it inside that box. Paste it inside that box. Sorry, it's loading. Good. Now paste it here. You paste it here. Good. Okay, so why this AI tool is actually limited to 250 characters. Yes, 250 characters. It is quite small, as you can see here. It's limited to 250 characters, so you cannot exceed 250 words. Are we together? So that is why I have this limited words. Okay, so now the next thing we are going to do is that if you are trying to portray a female character or a male character or a child, you have to come to this place, this change here. Come to this change. Come to this change. That is why whenever you are doing text to speech, you should have at least get your prompt. You should have know the role you are trying to convert your text to speech to. Okay, so now you come to this change. As you can see, all here. If it is a male now, I will just press male. See, this is it now. This is what I'm talking about. Leave all this AI engine, and then if you want to change the language actually to any other country, you can change the language. As you can see now, you have African, Arabic, etc, etc, etc. So me, I'm actually cool with English UX. Okay, good. So now let me portray this as a male character. I'll just pick male. Let me pick male, and let me just pick any of these character. You have Matthew. You can also play it to see how it sounds.
Good afternoon. I am capable of reading any text that you type here. For example, here. Good
And
afternoon.
also click that.
I am capable of reading any text. Good afternoon. I am
So
capable of reading any text.
you can go through it to choose the one you are good with. Okay, so me, I will choose Jack Mill. All right, so just press this cancel here, this cancel. Okay, good. So now once you are done with that, don't forget that this AI tools does not exceed 250 characters, though I will still show us AI tools that exceed that. Okay, now all this volume, you can increase the volume, but don't touch the volume speed depending on what you are using to do. Don't touch the voice speech. All right, so leave it as mp3 and just press convert to speech. Okay, so let's wait till it convert to speech. Ensure you have a good connection.
Hello,
Okay,
my name is
now
John.
it's done.
I'm into project writing, data analysis, video editing, graphics designs, map development, web designs, content creations, and lots more. I will be teaching you how to create animation. Stay tuned.
Yeah, so as you can hear, that is it. Okay, so we just convert our text now to speech, okay, using voice maker text to speech. All right, so just come to this arrow pointing downward and download. Okay, this arrow here, just come there and download. Okay, so it's complete. Now you can now play it and see how it is. Yeah, this is it. Press play.
Hello, my name is John. I'm into project writing, data analysis, video editing, graphics designs, map development, web designs, content creations, and lots more. I will be teaching you how to create animation. Stay tuned.
So the next one we are going to use is another AI tools that has like 10,000, 1,000, 2,000 characters. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, so the next AI tools we'll be using to generate our text to speech is ttsfree.com. Yeah, so go to your Chrome and then press ttsfree.com. ttsfree.com. So you press enter. It is a free AI tool website that we use to generate our text to speech. Yeah, so this is it. Okay, so if you are just going in first, it might demand you to log in with your Gmail account. So just go directly to Google and log in. Okay, yeah, so this is the face you will see immediately you log in to ttsfree.com. Okay, so now we can see that this one is having 2,000 characters per version. Are we together? So that's the difference between this and voice maker. And please ensure you neglect all the ads that will be popping up, because it's a free website, so a lot of ads are popping up, so you can kindly cancel that. Yeah, so as we can see that it is having 2,000 characters. Yes, So the difference between this and the other one is that voice maker is limited to 250, while TTS free has 2000 characters. Okay, so this one can also occupy much characters and nothing less than 2000. Okay, and then in voice maker they have different voices, male, female, um child, etc. Why this is limited to limited number, as we can see here now, we have limited number of voices that we can change to. Okay, so that's just everything about this place. So all this voice speech you have to leave it at 0, adjust voice speed depending on what you want to use it to do, but I'm okay with 0, etc. So you can just press convert immediately you are done. So I'm sure you should have prepared your what was it called, your test. Yeah, so I prepared mine. So let me go to my notepad and copy. Yeah, okay, so this is the test. This is the test I'm trying to convert. The word is large enough for all mankind to live. So once you are done, okay, so the next thing you are going to do is to change. If you want to change the language, you can actually do that. You can just press this language. So if you want to change it to any of your choice, probably to French, Pakistan, Philippine, it's all there, all together. So but me, I normally use English United States. I'm cool with that. All right, so you can just press this English sign, this language. As you can see now, you can just change to anyone you want. So you can see English, Filipino, Finnish, French, etc. So depending on the kind of animation you want to create, depending on the language. Okay, me, I choose English United States, and I normally use Christopher. So you click Christopher. Actually, you can also listen to their voices. You can listen to their voices, and probably you have to have it.
The life that you are living now is also a dream of millions.
Yeah, that is a woman. This Anna is a child, I guess so. Yeah, so it's a child. So just have a good network. I've listened to. You can just go through it and choose the one of your choice. So now I will choose Christopher. After we are done with that, just scroll down, leave this voice speech, adjust voice speed depending on what you want to use it for. So you see this convert now, just press it. Your add background music, it's a choice, but I don't need background music, so just press convert now. Yeah, you can see converting. So just wait for a second, it will be done. We are done generating it now. Let's just play it and let's listen.
The world is large enough for all mankind to live together in harmony. How often do we fight others when they rise higher than us? Why is there no peace in the world despite there being?
Yeah, so that's just it. So just press this download mp3 here in this blue cover, or let me put it that way, this download mp3. So just download, so immediately to download to your file. Okay, so that's just how to use it. Okay, so another AI tool we're using to generate our text to speech is AI. Yeah, so that is another AI tools that we can use to convert our text to speech. Yeah, so just go to any of your browser, love voice. You can see there, love voice, yeah, .com, lovevoice.com. Just press enter. So allow it to load. Yeah, so this is the interface, but this for first timer it will request you, or it might not request, but you will be limited to, I think, 2000 or 3000 characters. Okay, but if you want more characters, please just sign up. All right, just sign up. So you can still sign up. Oh, sorry. um so here now, I already signed up. So you can see now I have 20,000 characters. Okay, so no matter what I want to do, this app is capable of doing it just because I sign up. All right, so you just sign up. Okay, so you can see that I sign up with my Gmail. So you can see here now. So but you still sign up. Okay, so just make sure that you sign up with your Gmail. They will send a verification code to your email, and just verify that to just claim it. Okay, so once you are done with that, your character will increase. Okay, so you can see that I have 20,000 characters, so I can just keep typing as long as I want. Are we together? So now this is just it. So this is the interface you will see, but the difference is that this AI tools just have two voices. Is either male or female, but you can change languages. Okay, we can all see it here now. This is it. Are we together? So if I press that Jenny now, you can see, you see mine. So it's more or less like TTS actually. You can see me, Avan, and the likes. Okay, so you can also change languages if you want. So me, I always choose English United States. Yeah. Okay, so you should prepare your test normally. So me, I prepared mine. So let me just copy. Let me just paste here now. Let me just paste here. Just press the box. So now I've pasted my test. Okay, a boy was out with his father, like, and the likes. So just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, so I love my language to be in English United States, and my character, is more or less like TTS free, but it has different length of characters. The first one we use, the voice maker, it is limited to 250. The ttsfree.com is limited to 2000, and if you sign up here, you have 20,000 character. Okay, so I love to choose male. Yeah, and the other disadvantage is that you can't preview the voice of your character, but if you are using TTS, you can preview their voice from there. Okay, so it has advantage and it has disadvantage depending on what you want to use it for. Okay, so now we press generate. So now let's wait for it. It's generating.
A boy was out with his father at the farm. Having worked all day long, they were pretty tired and wanted to go home.
Okay, as you can see now, in a twinkle of an eye, it has been generated. Okay, so we can preview that. Let's just listen.
As they prepared to leave, a young man with dirty hands suddenly came up to them and asked for a favor. Please, could you?
Yeah, that is it. So just come here and download this blue button here. Download. So it will download directly to your file. Yeah, so you can see now, you can open it and play it. Okay, so thank you very much. Other AI tools will be sent to the group, or you can check on the description of my YouTube channel. So thank you very much.